No decision on day one of jury deliberations in the trial of former Milwaukee police officer Dominique Heaggan-Brown. The jury will continue its work tomorrow. Heaggan-Brown is charged in the death of Seville Smith. The shooting of Smith led to violence last summer in Sherman Park. Corrine Zell explains the options for jurors tonight. Corrine.
George, today the jury deliberated from about noon to 5. They didn't make a decision, which means they'll be back to the courthouse again in the morning.
Day 7 in the Dominique Heaggan-Brown trial. The jury listened to final arguments from both sides and is going to come down to the second of 2 shots fired. No one disputes the first one, when Smith had a gun, but that gun went over the fence. The defense argues self-defense. The state says it was excessive force. The jury will decide if the former Milwaukee police officer is guilty of first-degree reckless homicide.
And you must first consider whether the defendant is guilty of that offense.
If the jury can't come to a unanimous decision, they'll consider a lesser charge of second-degree reckless homicide.
It's committed by one who recklessly causes the death of another human being.
The third option, negligent homicide by use of a dangerous weapon.
It's committed by one who causes the death of another human being by the negligent operation or handling of a dangerous weapon.
The jury could also find Heaggan-Brown not guilty, acquitting him of any wrongdoing.
Anything that you may have seen or heard outside the courtroom is not evidence.
The anonymous jury has been isolated for more than a week since the trial started. This is the first time in 23 years a Milwaukee County jury has been sequestered.
Once a verdict is reached in this case, the former police officer has another case. He's charged with sexual assault and soliciting prostitution. George and Carol.
Corrine, thank you very much.